here. Every time I stop at this exact spot before I head up the Susten Pass, this is where I set up the cameras, this cat comes and says hello to me, hi. But I can't touch it because I'm allergic to cats, sadly. You did hear that right. I'm currently on the bottom of the Susten Pass. The last video I filmed up here with the 718 Spider RS, they actually closed the pass, and the pass has been closed the last week. Yesterday, this morning, it spontaneously opened again. The weather's gone a bit warm again, the snow's disappeared on the road, and I didn't think they would open it, but they have, and I have a GT3 RS currently. It would be rude not to, wouldn't it? So, it's another Sunday afternoon, and as I said, just so happened to have a GT3 RS, thanks to Porsche Switzerland. Big shout out to them, as always. So I'm filming 2 videos with this over the weekend. One movie, my new Alpine Vibes movie with no talking, pure cinematic experience. I don't know which will come first, but there will be 2 videos to look forward to with this car. This being one of them, of course. Driving it through Zurich the last couple of days, madness. I can't remember, apart from the Bugatti, the last time I drove a car that attracted this much attention. I've had people running out of me, people hanging out of windows filming, being chased through Zurich multiple times, being chased on the motorway. It's really crazy. People at the moment are freaking out about the 992 GT3 RS. It's an RS, so you know, quite stiff suspension. I like it. I'm just so excited right now. I can't believe the pass opened again. While I have this, we're nearly in November. Conditions are good. Yes, some snow on the top, on the mountains, but roads are good. It's currently 12 degrees, still in summer tires. So really, really great conditions. Looking down at the dash and seeing right now, DRS ready. I will never get used to that. And it makes me smile each time. One of the most epic cars of the year, no question. Porsche really pushed the boundaries with this car. Would I want one if I could afford one? As my one car? That's another question. Just based on having no luggage space. So only what you can stuff in through the roll cage. And as someone that makes YouTube videos and movies, I need luggage space. I need space for my luggage if I go away, and I need space for my filming equipment. Tunnel. Oh yes! This engine, oh, the GT3 engine is masterpiece. 9,000 RPM. Luckily, in the RSs, like my GT4 RS and the 992 GT3 RS, the gear ratios are so short, you really can hit 9,000 RPM without speeding. It's a very twitchy car, and you need to be focused in the 992 GT3 RS. Recommend if you drive one, do not take your hands off the wheel. It's wanting to move constantly. Window down, only one thing to do in here. A road like this could never ever get old or boring. Honestly, I'm just buzzing right now. Just the fact I was up here 2 weeks ago with the new Spider RS, then it closed, and now it's open again, and I have this car. It's like the summer won't really end. I mean, just look at that view. The conditions are, for me, near perfect right now. It's the quieter time of year, so not heavy traffic on the pass. The roads are still dry. There's a couple of wet patches here and there from these like small waterfalls that run across, so you need to take care of that. And you see these snow-peaked mountains, which for me are just the most beautiful when they have snow on. And of course the colours, everything's changing colour. It's just the most beautiful time to be up here. Put the window down a bit. Let's hear that noise. GT3 RS is just crazy. Last time up here, if you remember, I commented about the barriers on the side were missing all of the top. So, you know, you've got to take extra care because there is actually nothing here now to stop me or anyone flying right off a very high cliff. And as I found out from the comment section, which actually I didn't know, is they removed the barriers before the winter comes because they have such heavy snowfall up here. I guess it most likely can bend all of the barriers, so they remove them all before the snow comes. So now you have this like week before that they're still open, driving up here but with no barriers. Just don't look down there, you'll be fine. Nearly at the top now. Maybe not as a one car, this car would work for me. Not that I can afford a GT3 RS anyway. But I 100% want one eventually. Maybe I just sacrifice the luggage one day. I don't know, but it really is such a spectacular car. It's just the pinnacle. It's just absolute madness. And this wing, I mean, I will never get over that wing. It's really, really special.